Hey there, I'm estate planning attorney Paul Rabelais, and I'm the founder of an estate planning law firm called America's Estate Planning Lawyers, which helps people around the country like you get and keep their estate legal affairs in order. In this video, I'm going to address how creating a set of carefully crafted estate legal documents may not be enough to ensure a smooth estate settlement. You see, so much emphasis is put on creating your will, your living trust, your power of attorney, your other estate planning legal documents. And all those are critically important to making sure you protect what you have for your family. But often there is little or no thought or effort into using simple modern technology to maintain not only the estate documents, but also all of the other information that your survivors will need to handle your estate, either during your lifetime if you become incapacitated, but also handling all of the details that will need to be handled when you pass away. You see, one of the most frustrating things you can do to your closest loved ones is to create a situation when you pass away where your heirs and survivors are not 100% sure where all of the latest and most important documents are, and perhaps more importantly, where they can locate a detailed inventory of everything related to your real estate, bank accounts, vehicles, investment accounts, retirement accounts, business interests, life insurance policies, annuities. What are the names and addresses of all of your attorneys, accountants, financial advisors, your debts, money owed to you, and even the details regarding any cryptocurrency you may own? Or when months or even years after someone dies, people think, finally, we have finished settling the estate. When lo and behold, someone discovers an asset, maybe a financial account or shares of stock or a partial interest in real estate. Or maybe someone discovers a debt that the deceased person had because they signed a note during their lifetime or created a mortgage or incurred credit card debt. And that causes all of the parties to have to get back together and come to agreement on signing off on new court pleadings and accountings, particularly when a probate matter is involved. Or in some cases, parties have to get together to sign off on trust administration legal documents, or in some cases, parties have to give money back that they inherited to the estate to pay not previously known about debts, administration expenses, or taxes. This part of estate planning is so important that our national law firm, America's Estate Planning Lawyers, or AEPL for short, gives away a free, secure online account to each of our law firm's clients, and we invite them to maintain their digital vault as a part of getting and keeping their estate legal affairs in order. As an estate planning law firm, we need to collect lots of information from clients to be able to advise them correctly and customize their estate planning documents correctly. The solution is for the attorney and the client to share a portal where the client and the law firm can capture and share information in a structured manner. The client completes the secure questionnaire at their own pace, filling in information about themselves, their family, their assets, and their most important estate planning objectives. And since it's a portal, the client can easily come back in and add more details later in the process, keeping all important estate information in one place. Here's where you would insert information about yourself, your spouse, marriage details. You can add children information. You can insert all of the names, addresses, and contact information for your advisors. You can state what your most important concerns here. And in this situation, Fred Flintstone said he wanted his family to avoid probate. He wanted to treat his children equally, and he wanted to provide that each of his grandchildren inherit $100,000 in trust so they could go to college. And he and his wife also wanted to create powers of attorney and advance healthcare directives. Kind of a common situation that we see. And then Fred can also fill out other information. Perhaps one of the most important pieces is this part of the portal where Fred can input all of his asset information. So he can add information about his real estate. Fred has a home. Fred has bank accounts. He can list all of that here. And he can go on and list all the information about regarding assets that he and his spouse have. In addition, our law firm can export some of this information into a Word document so that it enables the law firm to prepare the documents accurately. In addition, the law firm can download spreadsheets, which make it easier to make sure that all the assets are titled correctly. And all important estate documents and financial information and other estate asset documents can be uploaded so that documents and statements can be accessed with the click of a button. So if you are interested in creating and customizing your own estate plan by working with one of our estate attorneys from America's Estate Planning Lawyers, just start the process by clicking the link in the description below. Take a few seconds to complete an initial online questionnaire. Submit that to us so that we can evaluate whether it is an effective use of both your time and ours to schedule your complimentary Zoom video meeting with me or one of the attorneys I personally work with to find out your estate planning objectives and enable you to start securing your legacy. And if it looks like that our firm is a good fit for you, we will give you a link where you can create your own unique and secure password to start adding information to your secure digital vault. Have a great day.